Andrew's baby has hiccups.
Ready? Ooh, that was a good one. Oh.
This is absolutely hilarious.
It's gone. Never mind.
Nope.
Rita, your hands are so tiny.
This is Emily. She puts all her kids to sleep. Yep, that's right. That's right. Apparently so does Brett.
Say what?
Put all your kids to sleep.
Tried to. This one's not fun.
Okay, my little infant wants to play with my camera.
You're carrying a China baby.
So cute! Here's everybody holding their kids. Alright, little munchkin. Little munchkin. I know, you want to play with my camera. But you can't. What are you doing over there?
You got that thing to sleep?
I know.
Hey, critter. Yeah, that's what happened when you left.
I cannot be comfortable for you.
Still unsuccessful?
Still going.